Hello guys, welcome back to MojoCAD. So in today's tutorial, we are going to be doing the side piece of the silage making machine in this series of video. Please, if you're new here, consider subscribing and also turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much. So I'll start with the front plane straight away, and I will draw a line that is 60 millimeters long. Actually it's 600 millimeters. Then goes down by 200 like that, and have a bit and this is 60 millimeters, 150. It goes down by 200 by 200 millimeters. Yes, like that. Then from here it goes to 250 millimeters away. Then I want to draw a center line, or a construction line. It is measuring 300 millimeters long. From here we are going to employ arcs. I shall use the 3-point arc. So tap there, then remove. So my aim is to make this guy 160 like that. That's what I have. Okay, so having done that, come and draw simple line here. Then I'm going to make this line 56.91. Then actually I want to make sure it's 56.91. So the reason why I'm deleting it is because I want it to the relationship. Then I say equals to collinear and this guy like that. So okay, shall I can now give it a full line like that. So having done this, next step is going to be making a circle within the center, and it's measuring 152.16. Yeah, it's having a diameter of 35. Yeah, like that. Then shall make a center rectangle. It is measuring 82.5. 2.5. Yeah, so having reached this level, next part is draw 4 circles that are 12 millimeters in diameter. Now add a relationship in the way that all the 4 are equal. Now this entered automatically. On your repair, continue. Yes. So having reached this level, I'm going to introduce the sheet metal. It's all 3 millimeters. Yeah, just like that. And also we shall do simple cut. Yeah, this cut also can come from could also have come straight away from the part that we just did, but yeah, it's all well. Yeah, so we are going to do sheet metal, then edge flange for these parts of ours, like this, and we shall change this to 25 millimeters, like that. Then we shall do a simple cut here. Yes, we shall change this to 105. Yeah, then you extrude cut. Yes, so having done that, next step is going to be drawing holes that are measuring 8 millimeters. 8 millimeters in diameter. So this one is 8 millimeters in diameter. Shall do what is called extrude cut, and we say okay. So here some part that is misbehaving a bit. So what you are going to do, make a new sketch at this point. Then we start a wide like that. Shall do what's called extrude cut. I like that. However, shall do another sketch just after that. And you shall do up to surface, select this, and you say okay. So having reached this stage, we're almost there. We are going to do a simple piece here, and we have 10 and we up here we have 30. Actually it's 40, no, 30. Yeah, 30 millimeters. Excuse me, oops, that was a hard one. That's why we're going to extrude this. The 18 millimeters like that. And the next step, going to be drawing a line. Yeah, so having done that, shall exit sketch, then we do reference, select that, then select this line to give us that nice plane, and straight away we shall sketch onto this plane. Yeah, so shall do a line running from center about that, and we shall give it a dimension that is 3.5. Yeah, so 3.5. Then okay, this is off a bit, supposed to be at that very point here, this point, and it's measuring 3 mm. So shall do through all, that's up and down, to come up with something like that. Yes, I can make this line simple like that. Yeah, so I think we've really moved very well. Yeah, don't think we've left out anything so far, especially about this piece. So we shall name this the right piece, right side piece. We shall save it at the desktop. So we are going to make the left also, and what you're going to do in the left is simply coming here, you have the insert, then separate. So when you separate, you will say yes, SolidWorks part actually let's say insert. First exit this, insert, then mirror, but you realize that the mirror part is not active, so let's select the top. Okay, we shall select that and come and say mirror part. You see, it's now active. So when your mirror part, say okay. So we've gotten a mirror of the part we had, and you can come here and save it as left. So it's right, now we are saving this as left side. Yeah, so this is it for the side. Please, thank you so much for subscribing and being around with me for this long. Please, if you're new, consider subscribing. If you haven't, please do. So many match videos are coming. Thank you.